In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a header in Mailchimp quickly and easily, even if you've never edited a campaign before. This is a super useful skill if you want to clean up your email layout, remove a logo, delete a banner, or simplify the top section of your message for a more focused design. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to Mailchimp. Once you're there, sign into your account using your email address and password. After you log in, you'll be taken to your Mailchimp dashboard. From here, look at the left-hand menu and click on Campaigns. This is where all of your email campaigns are stored. So find the email campaign, click Edit next to it. That will open the campaign overview page. On this page, look for the Content section and click Edit Design. This takes you into the email editor, which is where you can make changes to the layout of your email. Now, once the editor opens, scroll all the way to the top of your email. The header block is usually the first part of the design, and it may include your logo, a title, a banner image, or other branding elements. If you want to remove that entire top section, click directly on the header block so it becomes selected. When it's selected, Mailchimp will show a toolbar or a few action icons around the block. From there, look for the trash icon or the delete option. Click it, and Mailchimp will immediately remove the header block from your email layout. At this point, your email should look cleaner and more streamlined without the header content taking up space at the top. If you only wanted to remove part of the header, you can also edit individual elements inside that section. But if your goal is to delete the whole thing, the trash or delete button is the fastest way to do it. Once you've removed the header, take a moment to review the rest of your email design to make sure everything still looks good and the spacing is correct. This is especially important if your header contained a logo or banner that affected the layout below it. And that's it. You've now removed the header in Mailchimp. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Mailchimp tutorials, and comment below if you want to see more step-by-step email marketing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.